We are going to learn 10 ways in which you can do more precise search in Google. And then I'll give you 2 bonus things at the end. First thing is, for precise search, put quotation marks around the phrase. Otherwise you get too many results. Second, generally we want the latest results. Go to the tools area and choose the correct time frame. Third, very often when we are searching for something, we are searching for it in the title of that shopping item or a blog article or a product page, whatever. So all in title, colon, and then the search result will give you much more precise and lesser number of results. Fourth one, to search for a particular kind of file for download, enter file type, colon, extension of the file, and then the rest of the search. Fifth one is how not to search for a particular word. When I search for my name, Nitin Paranjape, there are so many Nitin Paranjapes and many of them are very famous. I want to remove their context. So how do you remove context? By putting a hyphen or minus sign. Removes all the famous Nitin Paranjapes and then what I get is me. The sixth one is conversions. Anything to anything conversion is available directly as a part of search results. No need to go for any separate web page or utility. Seventh is mathematical calculations. Even complex calculations, just type and then it will give you a sort of a calculator and you can play with it. Eighth one is pronunciations. How do I say this?
Pediatrics. Pediatrics.
Ninth one is meanings of words. And the 10th one is search types. By default, you get all results. Look for all filters, open the drop down, and there you have so many different categories of search. Choose the right one to get the best possible results. The first bonus I want to tell you is when not to use Google or Bing, basically the traditional search. You should be using large language model, which means ChatGPT or Bard, when there is something which is discretionary, summarization oriented, or creative. And the next bonus is, yes, search is great, but sometimes we want to automate the search. You do that using Google Alerts, but that is a topic for another video. So that's it for now. See you next time. Bye bye.